Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coderslobby. So in today's video, we are going to create the process for object detection. So in the AI Center video, I had told you will create the two processes. One is for the sentiment analysis and second one is for the object detection. So earlier we had created the process for sentiment analysis. So in this video, we'll create the process for object detection. So for creating the process, firstly we'll have to create the project, and here we'll have to enter the name of the project. So what is the project name is object detection. So same, we can give the description or description whatever you can give. Let's click on the create button. Here we'll have to select the package, so it's out of the box. From here we'll click on image analysis, and here we'll select the object detection. So here you can read the description. So this ML package is mainly trained on the Coco dataset. So this is a pre-trained model, but you can retrain it for your dataset. And so this is the what the description will have to pass. It will have to pass the image path over here. For that we'll have to do the prediction, and it will give us the description like this. It will give us the class of that object, what is the class of that particular object, and with the score. So what is the prediction score of that particular object. So now let's click on the submit button, and here we'll have to give the package name. Let's keep it same, and other things we can leave it blank. Once this will be created, we'll have to create the ML skill. For that we'll go here, we'll click on create. Here we'll give the name, we'll choose the package, the version, other things we can leave it blank. Let's hit on the create button. So for as of now it will be in the deploying status. As soon as it will be in the available status, we can use it in the UiPath processes. So let's for now let's go to UiPath, and here you can see I have downloaded this process from the UiPath documentation. From here I have downloaded it. I'll give you the link in the description to download this package. And after downloading this package, what you have to do is you have to install two of the packages. One is for the ML services, second one is for the web APIs. So this is the two packages you have to download it. After that you can use it in the UiPath. So this is already built process. I'll run this process and show you the output once this will be available over here. So we'll have to wait for the status to be available. Okay, fine. So as you can see, the status has been updated as available. Now we can use it in our UiPath process. So before running it, let me show you the input file. So this origin and traffic Havildar file we are using as input. Let me open this file and show you. So you can see there are multiple objects are there. There is truck, car, or buses, or there are some persons also. So this will detect the process will detect each and every object, and it will give the score for that particular object. So let me close it. Let's copy the path of this file, and we'll pass it over here in the variable section. Okay, now where the output file will get generated. So output file will get generated over here in this file, in this folder. Now let's go here and run the process. Just wait for a moment to this process to be done. Okay, the execution has been done. Now let's go here, and you can see one file has been created called origin hyphen prediction output. Let's open the file and show you the output. So you can see there are multiple blue lines are coming. You can see here it's for car, there is truck, there is bus, there is car with the prediction. You can see the prediction score as well, 0.87. That means 87% it is accurate, and it's predicting the persons whatever is available over there, and predicting it them also, and giving the percentage of that particular object also. So this is how we can predict it. Now let me run it for the second one also. Let me run it for this. Let's copy the path for this file, and we'll give it over here. We'll give it here, and again we'll hit on the play button and wait for the execution. Okay, the execution has been done for this as well. Now let's go to this folder, and this predicted output has been created. Let's open it and see the result for this. So you can see it also detected this one. Here it detected it as a bus with 100%. Here it detected it for the baseball bat or the person, and this car, this bike, it has detected it, and the person sitting on the bike, it also detected him. So this is how you can utilize this object detection model into your UiPath workflows. So this I hope this example is clear for you. So please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So whenever we'll upload the new videos to our channel, you'll get notification first. So we'll meet in our next video. Till the time, bye bye.